Hello there. Welcome. Salofa here with another video. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this video really quick. I don't want to be long because my lighting is the light in here. It's really horrible, but I know it's been a while, and thank you for those of you that like and subscribe, my new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. So this video is actually going into the questions that some of you that was asked in the 2020 seasonal jobs in Alaska video that I put up. I think it was January. It was actually the beginning of this year, and I haven't put up any video since forever until now. So I want to go over with some of the questions that some of you that have asked to kind of give you some more information and understanding of about the questions that you have. So question number one. How many hours a day do processor work? So if you're new hired, of course you're going to get hired as a processor. All processors are required to work 16 hours a day. That's all processor, 16 hours every single day. So for, depending on, you do require to work 16 hours if there's a lot of fish, but if there's no fish, so it depends, but you do work 16 hours a day. That's the amount of hours that you do work, is 16 hours every day. The second question is, when does the season start? Okay, so there's two seasons. I think I have mentioned before. So there's a season, which a season starts in the beginning of January and it ends in April. Now, if you apply in the summer starts from June and it ends in October. Like in the beginning or in the middle, depending on the quota, because they have quarter pounds of fish that they have to process. So bee season, that's it starts in June and it ends in mid-October. So that's the second question. When does the season start? So A season starts in January and it ends in April. B season, which is during the summer, it starts in June and it ends in October. The third question, what kind of people? That question I was kind of confused about, but he kind of go into details about what he wanted to know. So to answer that question, not just for that that certain person, but for everyone, U.S. citizen, U.S. resident, as long as you have a Social Security and you're legal to work in the U.S., you're hired. Fourth question, does workers have to pay for food and room on board? Okay, now every seafood company are different. But the particular one that I know, you do pay for food and room on board, which is $15 every day that they take out of your paycheck every 2 weeks. So $15 a day altogether, that's total of room and food on board. But however, that money at the end of the season, if you complete the contract, they will return 50% of that money. So In other words, yes, you do get paid. You do pay for room and board and food, $15 a day, but they return 50% of that money that goes into your room and food every day, and they take out every 2 weeks. They will give it back to you if you complete the contract. That's question number 4. Number 5, if any problems occur, will the company call the police, or does the police exist? Yes. It's just like any other job in the real world. If any physical violence occurred and you started or you were involved in it, yes, the company will call the police because it's physical violence, and there will be a termination as well, but it depends on the situation. If they have to call the police or the other party wants to press charges, that's on you. But yes, they would terminate you right away, and they might file a police report. So yes, keep in mind, seasonal work is just like any other job, you know, so it's the rules apply. It might be some different, but when it comes to violence, any company will not, you know, make you work. You know, if you break the law, you break the law. Sixth question, will the company pay for your way home? Okay. The point of hire is Seattle. So, for example, I live in Vegas. So if I apply for a job there, I would have to pay my way from Las Vegas to Seattle, and then the company will pay your way from Seattle to Alaska. And that goes for the same thing when you finish your contract. They will pay your way from Alaska to Seattle. You pay your way home from Seattle to wherever home is. Number 7, which company is best? Now, if you have never done this before, it might be harder for you to get in. So I would suggest to apply to all, you know, fishing processing plant or whatever company that are hiring. I would apply. That's 7. And question number 8, how much money did I walk away after a season? Okay, I did a season. There will be another video about what I do and why I know so much information about this. So if you want to know, you can keep on watching. I will put up another video about what I do and why I know so much information. And I don't want to go into details with this video, because this video is basically answering all the questions that was from my previous video. So I did a season as a processor for 4 months, and I walked home with 10 grand. So that's question number 8. Number 9. Where would I recommend you to apply? Apply to all of them. Try them all. You never know. You know, I might say something and that I like, and you tried it and you didn't like. So we're all different. So I would try them all. Okay, so those are all the questions that was asked in my previous video. I will put the link down below of that video if you are new here. And if you been watching me, I know I'm new here and I'm just trying to establish my channel. I know I don't post a lot daily, but because I have a full-time job, so it's really hard to make time to come on here and put together a video for all of you. But I appreciate your all of you that subscribe and new subscriber, and hopefully I will continue encouraging someone and changing someone's life. I have to say that any job is good, but it depends on you if you like it or not. It depends on what you want and what you're looking for and what you're passionate about. So, you know, we're all different. Once again, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for upcoming videos, and make sure you hit that button with the bell so that way it will notify you of upcoming videos. Thank you.